Hello, in this video I'm going to go over working with your menus. The website has a few different menus, or options I should say, for menus. We have, of course, your main menu here. If I scroll down, we'll have a menu here called Quick Links. We have, or had, a menu for the footer here, but you had us take it out because you're not ready for content. So when you're ready for that, you can put that back, and I'll go over that real quick. And as well, we have sidebar menus. So I think there's one on the FAQ page. Yeah. So here's menus that we can do in our sidebar. So let's go ahead and get started. Basically, how the menu works is as you create pages, they're automatically an option to add to a menu, any menu you want. You can repeat that if you want, as well as you can make custom links. So maybe you need to make a link that goes to Google. You can make a custom link that says Google or whatever, and then add that link in there. So let's get started. We want to find appearance, and then menus. And then what we're going to see by default is our header menu, our main menu. So the home, public cruises, your fleet, about us, that kind of a thing. So obviously, that's this menu right here. And basically how it works is if you need to add something, you'll see over here are the pages. You'll see most recent. You can view all of them, your entire set of pages, as well as search. And to add it, you would just checkbox the ones you want to add. Click Add to Menu, and then if you scroll down, we'll see it. Then you would drag it into positions, such as this. And that would be the order it's in. To make a drop down, like this has drop downs, you would basically indent it. So you need to create a parent for it. So if you look at the About Us, we'll see that the About Us is the parent, and then we have Meet the Team, FAQ, and Contact Page as the drop downs for it. Alright, so all you would do, for instance, let's say I want to add video tutorials to that, I would just indent it under it. So now this is the child of this parent. That's pretty easy, right? You can get more information for that particular link by opening it. You can see the name. You can remove it. You can actually change the link. So maybe I don't like video tutorials. Maybe I just want to call it video. I can do that. Once you're ready, you would hit save. Let's check it. And now what I should have is a video button under About Us. And I do. There it is. So that's pretty easy. Let me remove this. Don't forget to save. Your footer menu, if you are ready to add your footer menu back in here, all you need to do is come over here to select it, footer. Hit select. And then make sure, here's what's currently there, so you can change those if you like. Click the footer menu and then save it. Right now it's deactivated because you guys need content for it. Also, I want to point out that these need to be made. We don't have pages for this. These are custom links. Custom links, right? These custom links right now are going nowhere. It's just there by default. Okay, so you would need to change that. And real quick to go over custom links, if you basically you need, like I said earlier in the video, you want to make a link, but it's going to Google or it's going somewhere. You don't have a page for it. This is where you would make that. So you have the name of the button and then the text for it. It also is used for drop downs. So, or excuse me, parent of drop downs, I should say, sorry. So About Us doesn't go anywhere if you click About Us. It doesn't do anything. Right? But these pages do. So to make it so it doesn't drop down, you need to make a custom link with no link. So basically put this number, the pound sign, the number sign in there, the hashtag. This will make sure that no one can actually click this. So public cruises cannot be clicked. Alright, so you have to do a custom link to create that. Alright, if you want to make a brand new menu, for instance, you made a new page, you need to make a sidebar menu for it, you just click Create New Menu, give it its name, create menu, hit the create menu button over here, and then start adding over your pages. Alright, now widgets are what we're using to set these sidebar menus. And to do that, you would go to a sidebar you want to add a menu to. So let's say you need to add an additional one to Tampa Dock. All right. You would open up this Tampa Dock sidebar, and then you'd find Custom Menu. Simply drag it over, give it your title, then select the menu you want. And after that, hit Save, and then you are set. Okay, that's it for creating menus.